So today we are doing a Christmas activity. So which activity we are doing? Let's see. We are doing a ice cream stick Santa activity, and today is our Friday activity day. So let's see what all we need for that. We will need. So this is the Santa we are going to make it today in the class. So for this you require cotton balls, ice cream sticks, your craft paper, any thread you can take, and Fevicol. So these are the materials for your activity. To stick your ice cream stick like this. You need 5 sticks and you have to stick them together. Use Fevicol. First, we are going to stick these two. No, you doesn't have to do it in the scrapbook. We are just doing it activity. Once it is made, you can keep it in your scrapbook safely. Because we need white background for Santa face, you can take a white craft paper or any paper for the background. Or you can paste afterwards also. If you doesn't want to stick it on the paper, you can paste the white paper in the background at the last. Because we will require white paper for the face of the Santa. So what I am going to do, I am going to stick these ice cream sticks on the paper itself, and afterwards I am going to cut it out. So first, stick your ice cream stick, apply Fevicol, and stick it on paper in a triangular way. So you have to stick like this. Please stick it on your paper. Stick another ice cream stick over here and on one side on the paper like this. Put Fevicol on the ice cream stick. Then stick one ice cream stick over here. Then put Fevicol also and stick another here. And so you are making 2 triangles. And once it is right, I am going to cut it out with the paper itself. So it turned out like this. I've cut out with the paper. I've put a small hole over here to put my thread in this. Like this. 5 ice cream sticks we have taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have pasted on paper. Then I have cut it out. And I have put a small hole over here to put my thread. Now quickly, I'm going to put my thread first in the hole so that I can hang it on the Christmas tree or wherever I want to decorate it. I've put the thread up to tie it up. Any thread you can use. I was having this, so I used it. After this, I'm going to take my craft sheet and cut a triangle out of the red craft sheet and put it over here as Santa cap. So you have to apply Fevicol on your triangle. And paste it on the top as of Santa hat. My Santa hat is done. Now on top of it, I'm going to paste a cotton ball at the top of Santa's hat like this. So again, take Fevicol, apply on cotton ball. And paste it on the top of it. Please start doing. After that, you have to take your pencil or black pen, anything, and you can make eyes of Santa. You can take help. Don't use scissors. Tell your mama to cut it for you. After that, I'm going to put nose of Santa like this. So apply Fevicol. So what I have done here, I have taken same cotton ball, white cotton ball, and I have covered it with watercolor, the red watercolor. So this is Santa's nose. I hope everyone is doing. After doing this, you have to take the cotton balls and you have to start pasting over here as Santa's beard. Okay? So you have to apply Fevicol, then paste it like this. You can take cotton and you can make cotton balls also from it. Like this. Apply Fevicol and put cotton. Fevicol and put cotton on top. I hope everyone is doing like this. So like that, you have to cover it up. Put Fevicol. Got. Start doing, everyone. Very good. Don't pick it up right now. Once it is right, you can pick it up, okay? My center is done. Very good, Kabir. Wonderful. You're welcome, Kabir. Or on your white sheet, any sheet you can take and start making on this. No need to have a ice cream stick, okay? Good. Wonderful job, everyone. Very good, Mannat. Wonderful. Well done. Very good. Everyone has done a very good job. Well done. I think Tiana. Tiana, are you doing? Good. Well done. So now on count of 3, everyone has to show me their good, everyone. Well done. Well done, Akshat. Well done, Dhruvi. Wonderful. Ridvi, Devik, Tiana, Litisha. Well done, Kabir, Mannat, Yatiksha, Kritansh, Ahana, Krishna, Mihika, Garima, Niva, Manik, Purvanshi, Ayansh,